Section B, short answers, 2 marks. Let's start with this first question. From a top of the hill, so this is your hill, this is the top. The angle of depression of 2 consecutive kilometer stones. So this is 2 consecutive kilometer stone, D and C. Due east are found to be 30 degree and 45 degree. Find the height of the hill. You have to find the height of the hill. You are watching from here, top A, 2 milestone, D and C, which is an angle of depression of 30 degree and 45 degree. That's it. These two, this is to be important, this line. The angle of depression of 2 consecutive kilometer stone. So difference between the 2 consecutive kilometer stone means the distance between the 2 stone is 1 kilometer. Okay, understood? So AB is the height of the hill, Y kilometers. BD is the distance between the first stone and the foot of the stone. This is the first stone. The distance between the first stone and the foot of the tower, is it? It is x plus 1 kilometer, x plus 1 kilometers. BC is the distance between the second stone, BC, the distance between the tower, which is x kilometer. So we will take this in triangle ACB, 1045, AB upon BC. 1045 is 1, AB is y, BC is x, so x is equal to y first. In triangle ADB, ADB, 1030. 1030 is AB upon BD. 1 by root 3 is equal to y upon x plus 1. If you multiply here, then you will get x plus 1 is equal to root 3y. Substituting the value of x, y plus 1, is it? X is equal to y. So in place of x, we will write y. So y plus 1 is equal to root 3y. Okay. So y, we have to make subject of formula, take y on that side. So you will get 1 is equal to root 3 minus root 3y minus y. If you take y as a common, you will get 1 is equal to, we will get 1 is equal to y root 3 minus 1. So y is equal to 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Since root 3 minus 1, you have to conjugate it. So you have to multiply with opposite of this, y root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. If you multiply and conjugate it, we will get root 3 plus 1. Then here will be 3 minus 1 is equal to y. So it is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to y. What is root 3? 1.7 root 2. So 1.732 plus 1. If you add it, you will get 2. So 2.732 upon 2 is equal to y. If you divide it, you will get the value of y, 1.366y. So y is equal to 1.366 kilometer. So the height of the hill is 1.66 kilometer. The second question, the angle of elevation of the top of the first story of a building is 30 degree. At a point on the ground, distance 15 meter from the foot of the tower. Is it? The angle of elevation is given. The angle of elevation of the top of a first story of a building is 30 degree. Okay, from at a point on the ground, distance 15 meter from the foot. So 15 meter from the foot, C is the foot of the tower, D is the point on the ground. The first story make an angle of elevation 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. So this will be y1. Now another part, the part is what? If the angle of elevation of the top of the second story from the same point is 45 degrees. From the same point it is 45 degree, and this is 45 degree. D is the point. A is the top of the second story building, which make an angle of elevation 45 degree. So what is required to be find? We need to find what is the height of a building. We need to find, so the height of the second story building, or we can say height of the building because it is 2-story building only. Okay, so AB, the height of the second story building, y2, BC, the height of the first story building, y1, and DC, the distance between the point of observation and the foot of the building, which is 15 meter. In triangle BDC, triangle BDC, tan 30 is equal to BC upon DC. So 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to y1 upon 15. So 15 will go that side. So 15 upon root 3. 15 can be written as 3 into 5 upon root 3, which is y1. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 into 5 upon root 3, y1. So root 3 and root 3 will cancel out. Y1 is equal to 5 root 3 meter. This is first. Okay. In triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, tan 45 is equal to AC upon DC. Tan 45 is 1 is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 15. If you multiply here, you'll get 15 is equal to y1 plus y2. Is it? So what we get? 15 is equal to y1 and y2 value. If we substitute, y1 was 5 root 3 and y2 we have to find. So y2 is equal to if we subtract this, so it will be 15 minus 5 root 3. So y2 is equal to 15 minus, you have to substitute the value of root 3 and you will get y2 is equal to 6.34 meter. So the height of the second story building is 6.34 meter. An adult and a minor boy standing on the ground are 2 meter apart. The height of the adult is 4 times the height of the minor boy. Suppose minor boy height is 5 meter, then the adult will be having a 4y meter height. If at the midpoint of the line segment joining their foot, the angle of elevation of their tops are complementary, find the height of the minor boy. Suppose the height of the boy, this is minor boy ED, having a height y meter, so the height of the adult will be 4y because its height is 4 times. Is it? At the midpoint, there are these two people, adult and the boy. The distance between them is 2 meter, and at the center, the angle of elevation on the point on the center is complementary. So 1 meter both. Is it? BC is 1 meter and CD is also 1 meter. So adult boy, if make an angle of theta, the boy will make an angle of complementary, means 90 minus theta. Is it? So here AB, the height of the adult boy, 4y. ED, the height of the minor boy, y meter. BC is equal to CD is the distance between the point of observation and their foot is 1 meter. So in triangle ACB, tan theta is equal to AB upon BC. So tan theta is 4y upon 1. So tan theta is equal to 4y. In triangle ECD, tan 90 minus theta is equal to ED upon DC. So tan 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. Cot theta is equal to y. Is it? So we get cot theta is equal to y second. From first and second, whenever there is a cot and tan, this can only be cancelled through multiplication. So that we have to understand every time, that whenever we get tan and cot, we always have to multiply. So multiply first and second. So what you get? Tan theta into cot theta is equal to what? 4y into y. So 4y into y is 4y squared. Tan theta, cot theta is 1 upon 10, so it will cancel out. So what we will get? 4y is equal to 4y square is equal to 1. So y square is 1 by 4. So y is equal to 1 by 2 meter. So the height of the minor boy is half meter. That is, half meter means 50 centimeter.